We have here with us Oniel Thomas, coach of Dinthill Tech. Mr. Thomas, what do you think about the performance of the team today?
Well, up to 100%, but I think it's up to par to what we want to see. We don't want 5 goals and we get 4. I think that is good enough still, but as I say, all the time it's always work in progress, same way. Team is growing and it's a different stage really, so I will step up to the plate.
The young striker, Giovanni Affleck, hat-trick today, a brace, leading goal scorer for your team, also second leading goal scorer in the Casa Cup. How do you keep him gunning like that so far?
It's all about the consistency and the drive where we push them to the things that we push them to do, our consistency with finishing. So that's one of the most important things. Because we know it's not only him alone scoring the whole team, and because of as I said, the finishing, the kicking that we do at evening time, we have always become consistent about that. And it's a part-time, and he wants to score a goal.
Yeah, I can see that. A red card from the goalkeeper, you'll be out with your first choice goalkeeper next game. What your assessment on that display of the goalkeeper regarding to the red card?
Well, when we are in football, let's say, the next person have to step up. It's all about that. So you don't play so much games for the season. And your time now for sure, say, yeah, because he's been crying, same one, you want to play, see them get the opportunity. So next game he'll be in the goal. So you have to make sure you stand up. But the thing about it, it's all about a team game, team defense and team attack. So, and it's part of time, I understand what is going on. So I think he's going to do well.
He looked comfortable when I saw him came in. He looks quite good with the ball at his feet as well, command the defense. He seems to look as if one of those type of players that can do what the first choice is doing and definitely can take over the spot.
Yeah, he can.
Would it be a big miss for you, a first choice goalkeeper out, or he will just apply himself immediately like that?
What I think is that he have to apply. And then I say, the team have to know, so they have to protect. If it's not all about trusting, because it's not in there for all long, so you have to protect the goalkeeper. You have to stop the attack from reaching us from early. We know we're going down there with a 4-goal cushion. It's kind of tough, really tough, but sometimes you're going a different, what can happen. But we have to just plan around that. We have just plan. We have tomorrow, Sunday, and Monday before we play Tuesday that we can plan and everybody we understand what we do.
All right,
that
coach.
We can protect. All right.
All right. See you guys again. All right.
Yeah, man. Respect.